Okay, here's part 3 of our introduction to geometry, and we're still talking about angles and stuff like that. So here let's talk about adjacent angles. So if I've got like an X shape. If I have two angles that share one side, we say they're adjacent. So TWS is one angle, and then SWV is another. Notice they share this ray that's in between them. So TWS and SWV are adjacent angles, okay? And then we have opposite angles, which are across from each other. So TWR, let's say, and SWV, notice they only share a vertex, but they have no other common sides and they're crisscross from each other. We call those opposite angles, all right? Complementary angles. Those are angles that add up to 90. Okay, remember 90 degrees makes a square edge here. So if I have two angles that the sum of their measure of their angles is 90, those are complementary to each other. So QVY and YVW, those are two angles we say are complementary. Okay, supplementary. Very similar, but in this case, they add up to 180, which again is the measure of a straight angle or a straight line. So anything that adds up to 180 would work. So here PKL is 70, LKT is 110. Notice these are also adjacent because they share the one side here. And they add up to a straight line of 180. So those are called supplementary. Okay. Finally, perpendicular lines. All right, any two lines, notice we have a line CG, a line ED. If these two crisscross at an exact square or a 90-degree angle, we say they're perpendicular to each other. Okay, remember in the last one we talked about two lines being parallel that never meet, and now we have perpendicular, which is where they meet and they actually meet at a nice square crisscross with each other.